In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in WordPress account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in wordpress.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of WordPress. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So logging into your WordPress account is actually very simple. Simply click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface. You'll be able to find various login methods over here. You can either continue with email address or you can also continue with Google, Apple, GitHub, login link, Jetpack app. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. So click on the field of email address or username. Now either provide your email address or the username over here. Now once you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you have set up the password, you'll be prompted to enter your password. So simply enter your password and you'll be logged into your account. If not, a login link will be sent to your email. What you have to do is simply go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, Gmail has been opened. Click on the email sent by the wordpress.com. Now that particular email will be opened over here. Simply click on this option, login now. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged into your WordPress account. So that is how you log in WordPress account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.